Welcome to a video by Abron. So this is simple pendulum with the three balls. There are three different metals. One is steel ball, one is brass ball, one is aluminum. They can be of any of the material. They can be same. The purpose is to understand the effect of G on the movement of the any object. What we are hanging is from the three points. We have just put the thread in the here. We have put the thread. I show you the closer, and then there is one thread here. Here it is just wrapped around by just a turn I have given you like this. So this has become suitable length approximately. All of them are now almost same. Now I am just pushing them with one of the place and see they will all be moving at the same speed. The only difference is that due to the resistance of air, the pendulum will change the speed, and because of the weight, this is aluminium. So what you are checking is the how much difference they are giving. Similarly, you can do with the hand also like this, and then see the movement of the balls. They are almost similar in size and dia. And the weight is different. Of course, the difference is going to, because of the weight, mass and gravity experiment can be understood by this. Please note there is one graduation here. Also, to check the length of this, there is one length here. You can check up how much is the length of the thread, or you can measure by any other system. Please visit the website www.abronexports.com. and in email is info@abronexports.com and abron01@gmail.com. WhatsApp number is 9992222049. Another is 941602001. Please share the videos, like the videos. It comes with the thread, base, rod and special clamp holding this. Very easy. You should make all of them at the same length. What is the difference? On the time period can be checked by changing the length of this ball thread or by the weight. Please visit the website, share the videos. Thank you very much.